Hey everybody, as requested, I wanted to share with you step by step on how I achieve my press-on nails. Everything I purchased from Amazon, and I have it linked in my Amazon store. Let's get started. I love these nails, and I'm going to be replacing the middle finger, and the curvature of the nail makes it easy to apply, and it covers the nail from side to side. I like to use the nail stand because it's easier to apply the nail polish as well as cure it in the UV light. And I'm going to start by applying a single base coat, and then I'll put it in my UV light and let it cure for 60 seconds. Once the base coat has cured, it is time to apply the color. I'm going to be using color 249, and I'll be sure to leave that information in the description box below. I'm going to start with a single coat, and then I will allow this to cure for 60 seconds. I'll repeat that for my second coat as well. I like to apply 2 coats for my darker colors, and sometimes if you really want something that looks really rich, you can go for 3 coats. With my second coat, I like to cure for 120 seconds. I'll be going with a glossy top coat. I'm going to apply a thin layer of the top coat, and then I'll allow that to cure for 120 seconds. With the top coat cured, it is time to apply the nail. I'll remove it from the nail stand, and I've already prepped my actual nail by buffing it. I'll take some glue that I got from a previous nail kit from Kiss. I start by applying a small dot of glue on my actual nail, and then applying a little glue on the press-on nail itself. To give my nails a more professional look, I first go downward into the cuticle and then press the nail on to the nail bed. I'll then apply a good amount of pressure and then massage the nail side to side to spread the glue and hold it in place for about 20 to 30 seconds. For the final step, I'll apply some cuticle oil around the nail that I completed and massage that in. This is also linked in my Amazon store. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, leave that in the comment section below. Love you guys, and I'll see you next time.